Yahoo! Prof here. And we've got a little bit of a Pokemon haul for you. It's going to be a bit interesting. And then we'll do some unboxing. Oh, we got the Gertrudes. There's Gertrudes. She showed up. Hey, Gertrude. Oh, he's a pretty kitty. Here, can I tempt you to stay? Catnip banana? So you guys, that's all you need. Catnip banana. Alright, so first up here, we have one of the Amazon warehouse deals. And I think it might actually be a good one. It might look a bit rough for wear. But I actually think it's all here, minus the packaging. You know, this is supposed to be right here. Oh, you can't see because it's not on focus. Oh, good. Did you knock your banana off? She knocked her banana off. There you go. Alright, what this is supposed to be, you can see it there. It seems complete. Alright, to me. Might or may not be. It's supposed to be this here. Battle Arena decks, white versus dark Kyurem? Kyu? I think it's Kyurem. You're just gonna keep pushing it. So it's supposed to have a box like this. But I don't have it. Because I got the Amazon warehouse deal. But the rest of it, I see 2 decks, I see 3 cards. In the picture I see 3 cards, 2 coins. I'm thinking it's looking pretty good. For this actually being a thing. I was going to check out Pokemon Center here. We're loading her up. So here it was what it's supposed to look like. Did she knock it off again? Gertrude. You can't keep knocking it off. No. It doesn't work right then. Oh, and there goes Gertrude. Well, here it is on there. Normally $40. I got it cheaper than that, but it's supposed to have 2 foil cards, Kyurem and black and white in EX. Boom, boom. Right there. 8 basic energy, 8 foil energy cards. 4 of each type. We'll have to see if that's in here. Tournament level trainer cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll have to see what those are. Special versions of Professor Scaymore and Trainer's Maul. Bam, bam, there. 2 metallic coins. I don't have... I'll see if there's damage counters in there. 1 code for online. 2 deck boxes. Bam. And a quick start guide. So, like, it's looking like it's all here. That's pretty good for Amazon warehouse stuff. A lot of times, if the actual box is there, there's a decent chance that it's not actually going to hold what it says it does. Because people pull them out and repack them with garbage. Let's get another angle on here. So, that's number 1. Wish me luck, because I'm thinking this looks pretty good. At least I was pretty hopeful when I first pulled it out. It doesn't look pretty, but I'm thinking it's all here. You know? Let me know. Throw your guesses in the comments. We're going to get to that eventually. And then number 2 are these Pokemon packs I picked up at Walmart. And you're looking at me probably super funny faced right now. You're like, those aren't booster packs. Yeah, I know. Very, very odd. These were there, though. They're $5 a piece. 20 cards, one foil card. And some of them I can tell back here. Do you see how that foil card is bent? I don't know if you can see that well enough or not. But the back card is bent. That probably means it's from tin or a... Like, here's my Leafeon tin right there. A lot of times when they're in the tin spot, or if they're in a... one of the big things like you just saw there, there's only 2 tabs that hold them in, so then what happens is they get bent because the top and bottom get held and then the sides curl. So I have a feeling that these are from like tins broken down. They probably pull out the really good, like the truly good cards or something. I don't know how it works. For sale doctrine says that once you buy it, you can do whatever you want with it, essentially. So, like, there's nothing barring them from reselling cards like this. One thing I can tell you, though, and it's going to be rather hard to see, but right here it actually says MJ Holding Company, 2019, Bedford Park, Illinois. MJ Holding is who ships all of Walmart's Pokemon. Everything I have gotten shipped and sold by Walmart has come from MJ Holding. So they have an in there. And if they're like a direct distributor for like a major company like Walmart, I would have to assume, even though they're technically allowed to do this legally, you wouldn't want to piss off, the Pokemon company. So you probably got some approval for it or something. Maybe not. You probably wouldn't want to risk your distributorship over repacking cards, though. So I kind of wonder if anybody knows more about stuff like this, because I've seen like big boxes too, like big... And I'll consider picking those up next time I see them available. Now that I know, like, at least the Walmart ones are done by the Pokemon distributor that normally distributes the Pokemon for Walmart. It purchased directly from manufacturer or secondary market and repackaged for sales. And they're not affiliated with... trading card companies. I also saw Yu-Gi-Oh! Exactly like this. So, and maybe they're doing this as a way for Walmart to combat, because like I found that Leafeon tin at Target. I found even decks on sale, but I can't find boosters anywhere. So maybe this is their way of combating boosters, like not like availability of boosters not being there. So like for $5 you got something you can pick up at the checkout. Don't know. I didn't see them I didn't see the Yu-Gi-Oh ones at different Walmarts either. But these were at my closest one to me in town here. So we'll be cracking these open and checking them out as well. Let me know what you think is going to be in there. Do you think I'm correct? Also, if you have any more info on MJ Holding, like what, I haven't looked into who that company is or what I just recognize that from the shipping manifests. And I know there's other companies that do this as well. I know Target carries something very similar. So what do you think about there's nothing huge today in the way of the haul, might be a bunch come tomorrow. That's it for today. And let's check this stuff out right away. As always, if it's one of those Amazon warehouse deals, I want to take a look at that right away in case I want to, you need to return it, which has happened quite a bit if you watch the previous videos. And anything I buy, like in person, we want satisfaction right away. So these are getting opened as well. Come back for those videos, and we'll hopefully see you then. As always, I'm at the Propsist, and you can find us at the channel as at Tech Exchange The. And we'll see you next time.